Guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to go over. We have good deals, glitches, exclusive coupons, and a couple of 5 off $25 scenarios for this week at Family Dollar. Before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, we're going to go ahead and talk about these exclusive coupons. Now, because they are exclusive, unfortunately, that means that not all accounts receive them. But if you are one of the lucky ones who receive these on your accounts, there are some pretty good deals that y'all can pick up with these coupons. Now, unfortunately, I have not made it to Family Dollar this week just yet. It's been a pretty busy week, plus I've been kind of fighting this cold thing going on, so I haven't felt the greatest, but I do plan on swinging by there today or tomorrow and seeing what all of these coupons actually attach to. There's only a couple that are showing up in the app. We do have this $3.50 off one digital coupon, and it is working on the Gain 10-ounce fireworks. Those are $8.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.15. But like I said, once I get to Family Dollar, I will be scanning some products to see what the actual price is and what these coupons are attaching to, and I will post those in the community tab. Now, up next, we have this 2 off 1 digital coupon for the scent beads, Downy or Gain. If you want to pick up the Gain scent beads, those are priced at $4.45, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2.45. Now, if y'all have those exclusive coupons, I think the perfect thing to do with those is to pair it up with the P&G promotion that is going on at Family Dollar right now. So you will have to spend $20 out of pocket, but you're going to get back a $5 digital coupon on your account. And I do have a 5 off $25 scenario at the end of the video where we do just that. So since we do have this P&G spin promotion going on at Family Dollar this week, I decided to go ahead and go over all of the P&G deals and coupon matchups first. So here we have the Swiffer products. Y'all can mix and match. These are on sale too for $9.50. Use the 1 off 1 digital coupon plus a 1 off 1 P&G insert coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $7.50 for 2, making those $3.75 each. Now, we also have the P&G dish soaps on sale this week. We have the Dawn Easy Squeeze. Those are 2 for $5.50. We also have the Gain dish soap. Those are 2 for $4. And then we have the Dawn dish liquid. Those are 2 for $6. All right, now we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain laundry products. So these are priced at $4.45. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. Now, if y'all can find the Gain Blissful Breeze fabric softener, those are priced at just $4. So after that 1 off 1 digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay just $3. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Tide Pods or the Gain Flings 42 count. So these are priced at $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10.95. Alright, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Tide and Drift laundry products. So these are all priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. Alright, next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Downy and Bounce products. So these are all priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. You can choose from the liquid fabric softener, the scent beads, or the dryer sheets. Now, we also received a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Tide Simply products. You can choose from the liquid or the pods. Those are priced at $3.45. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Microban multi-purpose sprays. These are priced at $3.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Now, these are on sale this week, 2 for $6.50, so if you want to pick up 2, use that 1 off 1 digital coupon plus a 1 off 1 P&G coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $5.50 for 2, making those $2.75 each. Alright, next up, we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Mr. Clean products. So we have the 28 fluid ounce Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners. These are on sale 3 for $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 3. Now, if you have the P&G insert, you can pick up 3 at $5.50. Use the 50-cent off 1 digital coupon plus 2 of the 50-cent off 1 P&G coupons. That's going to leave you paying $4 for 3, making those $1.33 each. Next up, we have the 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Febreze plug-in starter kits. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $3. And then we also have a 5 off 1 digital coupon for the Febreze plug-in refills. Those are priced at $10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Alright guys, so we're about halfway through the deals now, and I just wanted to make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave their smiles down in the comment section below. If you haven't, right now would be the perfect time to do that. Now, y'all already know those absolutely make my day, and I'm going to have a very, very busy Friday trying to finish up all of these videos. I think I have like 3 or 4 planned to finish up today, so if you could, leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me, because that will definitely put a huge smile on my face, and I hope it puts a smile on your face as well. Alright, now that we have all that taken care of, let's go ahead and jump back into the deals. So here we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Sparkle Paper Towels 4-count double rolls. These are priced at $5 each, so pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 2. And then we also received a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Sparkle Paper Towels 6 double rolls. These are priced at $7 each, so pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $10 for 2. Alright, now up next is the best paper product deal that we have going on at Family Dollar this week. We have the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Roll Bath Tissues. These are priced at $5.95, and we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $4.95. But the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we do have a $1 rebate, so that's going to make your final price just $3.95. Alright, next up we have the 175-ounce extra liquid laundry detergents. These are on sale for $6.95, and we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $5.95. Alright, moving right along, we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up the toilet bowl cleaners, those are priced at just $2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Alright, now up next, here's a coupon that really stood out to me because I have not seen this one before. It is a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the wiper blades. So these are on sale, 2 for $14. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12 for 2. But if you all want to pick up the 19-inch or the 21-inch windshield wiper blades, those are now priced at $3.50. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay just $5 for 2. Alright, up next we do have a few personal care deals. Now this is also a P&G item. So we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the herbal essences. If you want to pick up the hairspray, these are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. And we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Irish Spring products. So if you want to pick up the 3-count Irish Spring bar soaps, those are priced at $3.15. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2.15. Now, we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Craz-E body wash and bar soaps. If you can find the Craz-E charcoal body wash, those are on clearance for $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Now, this Craz-E coupon also works on the 3-count Craz-E bar soaps. Those are priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Now, next up, we have a 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Dove products. So if you want to pick up the 3-count Dove Men Plus Care bar soaps, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $3. Now, this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the Dove 1-count bar soaps. These are priced at $1 or $1.25 depending on your store. After you use that coupon, though, that's going to make it completely free. Alright, next up we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. This does work on the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon you're going to pay just $1. Alright, and last but not least, we do have a few drink and food deals. So we do have the Dr. Pepper brand 12 packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $13. And then we also have the 6 packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $9. Alright, next up we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6-packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $11. And then we also have the Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. Those are buy 2, get 1 for free. Alright, next up we have the Campbell's SpaghettiOs. Those are on sale, 2 for $2 this week. And then we also have the Lance Crackers or Cookies. Those are on sale, 3 for $2.50. Alright, and for our last coupon, we have a 3 off 10 digital coupon for the Nerf toys. And y'all remember, Christmas is right around the corner, so if you need some Nerf toys, this might be the coupon for you. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into these 5 off $25 scenarios. So y'all keep in mind that this is for Saturday, October the 1st. For this first scenario, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Rolls at $5.95, one of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners at $2, one of the Febreze plug-in starter kits at $6, one of the Irish Spring 3-count bar soaps at $3.15, one of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste at $3, one of the Dove 1-count bar soaps at $1, and 4 of the SpaghettiOs for $4. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.10. Alright, and here is your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Angel Soft, the 50-cent off 1 Lysol, the 3 off 1 Febreze plug-in starter kit, the 1 off 1 Irish Spring, the 2 off 1 Colgate, and the 150 off 1 Dove. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $11.60 for 10 items. But this still gets even better because then you are going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back. And that is going to make your final price $10.60 for all 10 items, making each one just $1.06 each. All right, now up next, we're going to go over a P&G spin promotion double dip scenario. So we're going to be pairing that spin promo with the 5 off $25 coupon for Saturday. Now this deal is an all digital deal, so anybody can do it. I did include 2 of the exclusive coupons. However, this scenario will show you all how you need to set up your transactions and your coupons. That way you will still get back that $5 coupon on your account after you've completed the transaction. Now again, if y'all have those exclusive coupons or if you have P&G insert coupons to work with as well, you can probably come up with a little bit of a better deal, but I tried to keep this all digital and just use a couple of those exclusive coupons that I showed you all at the beginning of the video. And keep in mind that you do have to spend $20 on P&G brand products after your coupons are applied. That way, that $5 coupon will show up on your account after you've completed your transaction. All right, so for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Gain 14 count flings at $4.45, one of the Gain 5.7 ounce fireworks at $4.45. Sorry about that typo there. One of the Gain 10 ounce fireworks at $8.65. One of the Febreze plug-in starter kits at $6. One of the Febreze plug-in 2 count refills at $10. One of the Downy fabric softeners at $4.95. One of the Microban multi-purpose sprays at $3.75. One of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste at $3, and one of the Dove 1 count bar soaps at $1. And that's going to put your subtotal at $46.25. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 2 off 1 Gain and Downy scent beads, the 350 off 1 Gain and Downy scent beads, the 3 off 1 Febreze plug-in starter kit, the 5 off 2 Febreze refills, the 1 off 1 Downy, the 1 off 1 Microban, the 2 off 1 Colgate, and the 150 off 1 Dove product. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $21.75 for all 9 items. But you're going to get back that $5 coupon, so that's going to make your final price $16.75 for all 9 items, making each one just $1.86 each. And I think that's a pretty good deal. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but if you're looking for even more deals to do this weekend, make sure that you go back and check out my previous videos that I've uploaded this week. I did do a Walgreens and a Dollar General video, and I will have both of those linked in the pinned comment down below. And then make sure that you stick around, because coming up next will be the 5 off $25 scenario video for Dollar General. And then after that, we're going to try and talk about Ibotta and what all craziness is going on with them. So make sure that you have your notifications turned on. But before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.